Greetings, cadets! Insomniac Games has asked me, Captain Quark, to talk about their next big game for the PlayStation 3.
Whenever our galaxy is threatened, two heroes rise to the challenge. Two heroes stand up to the forces of evil. Two heroes can always be counted on to throw a wrench in the works.
Type of weapon called combat devices. And in the past, we would always kind of dumb down our weapons a little bit because we didn't want them to be too powerful. But these are like RPG items that you can use them in special features. I'm going to throw out the Rubicon here and get these guys to Ruby Disco 2. So, of course, it's a strategic weapon too. Around those is they'll reflect all of the light attacks. So I'm going to use something like the plasma beast. I can show these poopy mines that will pop up and they'll splash with this toxic goo, get behind the shields, take them out. Run up ahead here. There's a new weapon called the Buzz Blade. This will also get behind the shields because it will ricochet off walls. Another enemy here has been electrified, and if I touch, I'd be electrocuted. Another example of our enemy defenses, trying to provide more strategy in the game. So, we'll throw out this weapon called the Fusion Grenade. It's great for splash damage. A lot of guys on screen. I'm going to mop them up with a tornado launcher. So, this will actually hold by the six-axis. I launch in the other direction. I'm going to launch it forward this time. So, control it and control ratchet at the same time. So you can run through, you can see it picks up this debris. It's the pirates. And then of course I can control ratchet too. Nice. So I'm actually going to skip ahead here to